Good morning, John Gaudencio Bidonglan National High School Alumni!
Ito po yung order ng parade natin na mauuna is ang guide natin na si Kuya Ading, tapos Saratan DLC, Barangay Officials, Pugunsili, Bayawas, Banlag, Don Gaudencio Teaching Force.
Wait lang, partner.
Excited na kasi,
Excited ka,
sorry.
partner. Okay, so we have first, our guide is Aling Velasco will serve as our guide para sa ating motorcade, and followed by the Zaratan DLC, followed by Barangay Officials of Pugunsili, Bayawas, Bunlag, followed by the Don Gaudencio Bidonglan National High School Teaching Force. And our Don Gaudencio Bidonglan National High School, or formerly Pugunsili High School, ay Barangay High School pioneers of 1969 to 1986.
Tapos followed by Class 1987, Class 1988, Class 1989, Class 1990, Class 1991, Class 1992, Class 1993,
Class 1994, Class 1995, 1996, 1997, 1998, and Kundugan, Drum and Lyre Corps.
Tapos ng Class 1998 ay